Here's a look at some lettuce seedlings that I've been growing. I started them probably earlier than I wanted to, expected to, and that seed tray right there, the seeds jumped that. I didn't mean to do that. The seeds are really small, so that's fairly easy to do. But I've got my little grow light set up here, and I'm gonna see if I can't make it to harvest. If I can't grow these indoors. We just had a really super cold snap recently. So, and yesterday I just planted another 2 rows there. So that way I've got kind of a, even if this first batch is a little too early and doesn't survive with my little grow light set up here, I will still have an opportunity with these next 2 batches. I should be able to get this cool weather crop outside, and it should be awesome. Click that subscribe button and stay tuned for what happens. I have a lettuce update for you here. As you can see, it is still growing very well. There's actually something else on the bottom side that I did not expect, but I probably should have. And let's see if I can get the other stuff back there. Yeah, it kind of gives you an idea. We are growing like crazy. We got a little lettuce jungle in here. And this is a different type of lettuce here. One of the things that I do need to do here today is make some choices. I need to cut some of this stuff, trim it back, pare it back. Can't remember the technical gardening term for it right now. But that's essentially what I need to do, because I waited a little too long, to be completely honest. And then, of course, with these, I need to keep up the water better. Under here, we've got some roots. Lots of well-developed roots on these guys. So there you go. That is your update. I have an update clip for you guys. And the update is, this is not going to work the way that I thought. The root system has become extremely developed, even more so than in the previous clip, and we are about a month removed. I cut out some of the other plants. That way there's only one per, and that one right there is doing pretty decent. But that's about it. What I've realized is that you need a lot more root system support to support the plants. Even if they're stacked up like this, I was actually going to clear these out, but I decided to experiment and see just how much growth I can get, and to see if these romaine in these containers right here are really what the doctor ordered. And so far, I think so. That is the trick. These grow lights are doing great, working really well for a wide variety of plants. I'm going to do a complete review for those coming up very soon. And that's it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.